Whew, all right, what is up, everybody? Could not be happier to be bringing you guys this video. This fishing adventure took place a couple of weeks ago. We are currently quite a few videos behind due to a bunch of traveling and due to basically having to relearn how to ride a bicycle, more or less. I've got a new fancy computer. The box, this is weird on this camera. You see the box back there? I'm actually using the camera on the computer to talk with you. We have stepped up. Originally, the last like 150, 160 videos we've uploaded have been edited on a $4.99 iMovie app on an iPad. Now we have an actual Mac desktop computer with the full iMovie program. So there's a few more than 3 features, which comes with the iMovie app. So, what's up, dude? Say hello. This is our hunting cat. So basically, we have to relearn how to edit. We have so many more options with this thing. More or less, we can make professional quality videos now. So they're only going to get better and better as we learn what all we can do with this computer. We can do pretty much anything we want, is what it seems like. Just got to learn how to do it. So I won't keep you guys any longer. In this little video, you're going to see us put a beat down on the bass, punching a Senko. I got a new GoPro too, so we're still learning the ropes of that. Missed a few of the bass catches on camera somehow. Also caught an 11-inch perch, punching a Senko. And Mother Nature potentially almost sank the boat. But we're still here, boat still floats. It's all good in the hood. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Okay, everybody. As soon as I get unstuck from the swamp, we'll talk with you. It smells gross. Ugh. I got a push pole, but this is faster. Alrighty, out here, Sylvan Lake, Oakland County. Never even heard of this lake before. Never fished it. I did just see a carp though. Not that that's what we're after. But we're gonna get out. We got a motor through this little poo-poo canal. And oh, there's another carp. Once again, I don't have my boat. But we're gonna go out, we're gonna do some bass fishing. Maybe we'll catch a bonus walleye. Not sure. Have to stick around and find out. Oh, where are the swamp donkeys? One on. Ripples are right there. I don't know why I hit the button and it takes this GoPro like 5 seconds to actually start recording. So if somebody knows how to fix that, let me know. Be appreciated. I wish more people could dock their pontoons like this, because it's a heck of a lot easier to cast under that one than it is to cast under that one. Tip for you pontooners. watch a lot of tournaments on the interweb, and it seems like a lot of guys, when they get snagged, they'll just snap off their hook and retie, and then they'll wonder why you know, homeowners get upset when they're casting around their boats. In my personal opinion, I think it would be better if you need to get off onto the dock to get your hook back, as opposed to just snapping it off and, you know, letting a little kid stomp on it, or an old grandma or something like that. Let me know how you guys feel about that. Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Thank you, Gunther, for the new technique. Punching Senkos. Hey, bud. Thanks for that. Just finished up eating lunch. It is now awfully nasty looking out here, but we're gonna go out, give her hell. Oh, come on, Schwan. Yeah, baby! Middle of the lake. Oh, no! That's cool. Come on, Senko. Got him! No! Oh my God! Something's not right. I frickin' jacked that fish. Got him. This one is not coming off. Whew, calm down, Scotch. It's a fish. Can't hook them with one hook, try 6. Oh, he's in the cabbage. Oh, you fucker. Right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, Jesus, bud. Come on, hook. There we go. See you, buddy. Got him. That bugger bit the end of my worm off. Dirty commie. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Put the hammer down on him. Got a new technique I hope you guys will try out, and I hope it'll work for you. Oh, wow, that's definitely still on. Been playing around with auto mode on the trolling motor, so I totally forgot about that. But I caught more bass than I could count on one hand, potentially two hands. And I even caught a jumbo perch while bass fishing. Not quite, but nearly as good as catching a walleye while bass fishing. That one even got a free pass. This is the fun part. Navigating the Narnia tunnel. Jesus. Road's crooked. That's what I call VIP pickup. Didn't even notice that all these little buggers crept up on me. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Our adventures are powered by Hunters for Life and made possible by all of our great sponsors, including Adam Carpenter's Outdoor Show, Threads and Ink, Pike Dreamers Custom Lures, Superior Outfitters, Nemesis Baits, and as always, our good friends over at Mud Buddy Boats and Motors. Until next time, it's your Vice President, Scott Evans. Happy adventures.